Hit! Oh shit, there's a back row. Let's go. Get him. Damn, good hit! I'm dead. Fuck. Got one. Got two.
Y'all think we can pick?
Is this it? Okay, this is it.
We should have.
It's not us, it's not us. All green. Do you have any grenades? Can I throw it?
Yeah.
You're awesome. Come on. Push it! Yeah, that's me. I think there's like two guys hiding back there.
Yo, come on. Nice. I don't know how much that side is flying. I'll just get it clear. We don't know what's going on the other side. We need some bodies up there. Oh, right there. See that? Hey, boss. All right, hey.
Move up! Move up! Move! 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 Okay, Russ, up! Upstairs!
Russ, get up!
You got him? Push in. All right, load up your dump pouch with...
I'm at the evidence room.
You don't think they unloaded it and then put it back over there?
All right, guys, let's load up.
I'm down for luck and broken bricks. I mean, alright, doing that work. Alright, let me come out. What's this?
Here.
Here we go.
Anybody ask? Just garbage. Just garbage.
Don't worry, I got the last guy.
You were falling, so I was like, oh, no, don't get hurt now.
Well, I was using you to keep me up.
We can get into it.
Alright, I'm about to just scream out fucking DEA raid and you guys bust out and try not to die.
Okay.
Go.
My whole team just left me.
I don't want to die.
You dead? Medic.
We're dead.
Oh, I'm sorry, dead.
I can be medic.
Yes, sir, let's do it. Got him. One down. Good. I'm done. Sucks you can't throw grenades. Got him. Thank you. Good shot. DEA medic. DEA medic. My first one. Dude, you're still alive?
Yeah, man.
I can't. There's no way to make it past this corner because there's a long hallway.
No.
I took out like 6 of them, but without, dude, fucking grenades would have killed it, but I can't.
Dude, I know.
I have them too.
Good spot here.
Got one. No, it's green behind us. I just shot 2 of them. So watch your right. Yeah, we're surrounded here. We got green on all sides. Just me and one can guy left alive.
Are you from Florida? Oh, yeah. God dang it. Cartel medic! Are you from Florida?
No, I'm from Ohio. Cleveland.
Ohio is one of the worst states in the country. But you're playing very well. Honestly. Ohio is still a shit. I'm from there. Have you ever
Get it. Dead. Woo! Oh my god. Dude.
Well, mainly all this shit. Alright, we should check it anyways.
Guard, buddy, guard!
Thank you. Got another one. Thank you. One. Now. Yep. I don't even know why I'm here because there's no cover. This is it. This is the only way out. I was really hoping we could come up on some green guys. Good hit. You good? I see you, I see you. Are you done?
I'm just.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dude, your gun didn't fire. You alright, man? Sorry.
Yeah, I have my safety. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good shot, good hit. Got one. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Dead. Can you take a knee?
Me?
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Let me get your low. Watch out.
Ah, fucker!
Oh, they're all the way in the door. Hey!
Hey, is he alright?
Everybody.
Grenade.
Oh, lucky it didn't go off.
Hey, 196!
This one?
He's dead. We're clear.
Sorry.
Did you shoot me? Oh, I hate you.
Edward!